Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim wa salatu wa salamu ala Sayyidina Muhammad. Welcome to our channel, Prof. Bainardi in Academy for Computer Science and Programming Languages. In this video, we will show, inshallah, templated HTML helper and especially razor expression like display, the method display in standard HTML helper. And the main idea is to perfect a relationship between class property and all input fields in web form or view, and remind all technique view viewed in previous video. So first we create a model. The model is a sample class. So right click on model folder, added class. We named it, for example book. Voila. Add. Yes, already exists. Book. Voila. We can. Voila, already exists. Increasing. Public class book. Then we define the property. We define the property of class book. Public int id book. And we use the property get and set. Voila. We will use, inshallah, annotation to give a significant name of ID book. Say, let us finish all the property of the book. Now say string title. Voila, you can use, inshallah, title on one book. get and set. إذا الهدف in Arabic الهدف هو تعلم خاصية في ريزر إكسبريسيون اسمها display. هذه الخاصية تربط بين أسماء الخواص الموجودة في هذا الكلاس بوك ولا هذا الموديل مع حقول إدخال النصوص في الفيو أو في الاستمارة الإلكترونية، يعني خلق رابط بين هذه الخواص والاستمارة الإلكترونية، وخصوصا إعطاء أسماء لهذه الخواص باستعمال التسميات أو annotation. إذا we use إن شاء الله order property public boolean, for example available or no. Voila. Also get and set property to simplify. Voila. Now we will use, inshallah, annotation. We must write using system dot component model dot data annotation. Voilà. It is necessary to perfect or to write annotation. We will use inshallah between brackets display. We use name. sorry display between two brackets. Name equal enter the ID book, enter or give or and so on enter ID book. Voilà. The same, we use the same code. Control C. Control V, and we will Control V. Now entrée ID, entrée, enter, title book. Now available or no. Voilà. Alhamdulillah, then this is a model with three propriety with annotation. Step 2 is to create a controller model controller view. Then create a controller. Right click on controllers folder, add controllers. We choose MVC5 controller empty. Okay, we give a name, Bahi book, for example. Yes, increasing the writing size, and now the third step is to create a view attached to this action. You can right click on index or on view, add view. So we have the same name index, and we can use alayut or you cannot use add. Voila. Now we try to perfect a relationship between this view and model. The first, we must write using the name of the application, web application 5 dot models, to use model, and especially use model. The name of the model is book model book class book. Well, alhamdulillah. Now we try to write a new method in standard HTML helper named display. So we must also use a robust HTML point display and we write the name of the property in the class. The name of the property in the class model, which we will model. Voila. The first property is ID book. Say. Survey. We use return to new line, and we copy this control for the title, order for available display. The second property is title book. Control C. Now Control V. The third property is available. Control C, and now Control V. Alhamdulillah, now we try to execute this view to check the results. There is some error. So sorry, display name. In the place of display name to display the annotation. Display name. Voilà. Can try the results. Entrée ID book, entrée title. Il est perfect. Entrée ID book, entrée title book available. Voilà. Now we can add the text box without using input type text. We use réseau expression. So we can use arrobas, also HTML, text box for all x, like lambda expression x dot id book. Voilà. The same, we use the same expression. We'll say for point title point dot, sorry, dot title book, and we use checkbox for this. Control V. Now checkbox for so use dot available. Voilà. Now we perfect a good web form in view. Alhamdulillah, perfect. Alhamdulillah. Now we can pass a parameter in view from the controllers. We have showed this technique in previous video. So go to the controller, and create a object book. Create a object book and give the values of all the property and pass these objects in the view. We in the text box and the input fields in the view filled by these values. So go to index and try to execute. Now we have the value of the objects in the input fields. voilà. Linux in 10 days and available. إذن thank you very much. Greeting from Morocco from فقيه صالح سيتي. شكرا على تتبعكم.